Greetings, fellow detectives, and welcome to Boiler Room Detective. The case of no boiler maintenance. I was talking with the operations director of a facility about maintenance on his boilers. He told me he didn't believe in service agreements. They are a scam, he said. To finish the conversation, he said, "Besides, I have insurance." Calmly, I asked, "May I see your policy?" "What? Why?" he asked. "Just curious. Humor me," I responded. He reached into his file cabinet and smugly handed the policy to me. After leafing through, I found the page I was looking for. It was a definition of an accident according to the insurance company. It read as follows: "Accident shall mean a sudden and accidental breakdown of the object or a part thereof, which manifests itself at the time of the occurrence by physical damage to the object that necessitates repair or replacement of the object or part thereof." On the next page were the exclusions to the policy. "Allow me to read what the policy doesn't cover," I said, and read the list of exclusions. Depletion, deterioration, corrosion or erosion of the material, wear and tear, leakage of any valve fitting, shaft seal, gland packing, joint or connection, the breakdown of any vacuum tube, gas tube or brush, the breakdown of any electronic computer or electronic data processing equipment, the breakdown of any structure or foundation supporting the said object or any part thereof, an explosion of unconsumed gas or fuel within furnace of any object or within passages from the furnace of said object to the atmosphere, nor the functioning of any safety or protective device. When done, I asked the customer, "What exactly does your policy cover?" "Nothing. It doesn't cover anything," he boomed. He still didn't agree to a service agreement because they are a scam, but hired us every year to check his boilers in the fall and in the winter. "When do you usually find out what your policy covers? Before or after an accident?" If you would like to contact me, my contact information is here. In addition, I have my two websites. The Brewing with Steam site has monthly blog posts on steam systems for breweries and distilleries. I have written 11 books on boilers, and they are available on Amazon. In addition, you could find some of my writings in these fine publications. Thanks for stopping by Boiler Room Detective, and I hope to see you on the next case.